What is up, you guys? It is me, Tanishia, and I am back with another video.
Hey, girl. Hey.
Now, y'all know I don't usually come to y'all with my hair loose. And this is because we have a wig that I am afraid of. So I'm procrastinating. All right? I'm really procrastinating because I'm terrified. Terrified. You girls, you ladies have been testing me with these colors. Y'all keep asking for colors. Color here, color there. Does this come in a different color? Colors everywhere. And we got one. We got another one. Technically, I don't think I would say this is a color per se. It's a color. All right. So, we're going to get into this color. And I'm going to go ahead and pull my hair back and get this over with. And we're going to make it look good. The hair is pulled back. The girls are going to bring you some color. So, surprise. Surprise. We have blonde. And not just any blonde. This is a Luvme Hair's NatureMAX 180 density ash blonde, silky straight, glueless, ear-to-ear 13x4, HD lace frontal wig, pre-cut lace, Flexi-Fit Drawstring, blah, 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 blah. Y'all get the point. This is an ash blonde wig. This is what they call black girl blonde. This is a 22 inch. This is what our blonde and our 180 density is giving us. Now, I will say, with this being an ash blonde, it does seem to me, I don't know if you can actually see it on camera, but it does seem to have a couple of little pinkish hues to it, which is really cute on this wig. It's nice. But just be prepared for that so you don't freak out when you get it and say, my wig is messed up. Y'all say we get privilege as brand ambassadors or influencers or whatever you want to call us. But for me reviewing this wig, I see pinkish kind of like highlights in this ash blonde wig. It can come out different ways depending on the hair and who has bleached it or who has dyed it. That is the love of what wigs can do. No two wigs are exactly the same. So just remember that. No two wigs, especially when colored or cut, no two wigs will be exactly the same. Moving right along, like I said before, this is a 13x4. When we talk about a 13x4, we are talking about this lace area right here. And because we have a blonde wig, it is really hard to see the lace, which is a great thing. Because the harder it is to see the lace, the more realistic that it looks. But one thing I can tell you guys that I have always noticed when it comes to a NatureMAX Pre-Max or a Party Max wig is when it comes to the lace, there is always some type of line. And I guess that marks where they do the hairline, where they make the hairline a little bit more realistic above the line, closer to where they have pre-cut the lace. So if you see that in your wig, don't be afraid. This is in majority of their wigs. I think that's just the way they've made it so that the lace is thinner and the hairline is thinner in the front, so it looks more realistic. Also, with this 13x4, you get more parting space in the middle part than on the sides. So if you planned on doing like an intricate style that has parts, just be aware that you're not going to get a lot of parting space on your sides. All right, moving right along to the back, we have our Flexi drawstring that comes in it, our comb. You only get this one comb. And then inside of our box, we do have our matching wig band that is also the color blonde to match this. So if you decide to pull your hair up and your band begins to show, it won't be as bad or that see-through. Like, that's a good thing that they put a band that matches the cap of this wig. And you get your little area where you insert your band. When we talk about 180% density, we are talking about how full your hair is. 180% density is a density that is more realistic. Your hair is not too thick. Your hair is not too full, but it's not thin either. It's kind of like a realistic density of a regular hair texture. If I can, I don't know, like a regular density of hair. You know how some girls have like extremely full hair. Some girls have extremely thin hair. And then there's some of us that are in the in-between. This is the in-between. All right. This wig is easy to apply. All you do is take your bands, put your band on your head, behind your head, adjust it while it is in that position. Then take and flip your wig back. Put your comb up under your band or under your hair. Adjust just a little bit. Yeah, that's definitely pink. I see pink. But adjust it just a little bit. And there you have a comfy fit. You don't have to adjust your flexi drawstring band just yet. Just make sure that everything is laying how you want it to lay and it is comfortable. Make sure your ears are comfortable. Everything is comfortable. I did not put on a wig cap, which I'm trying to see if I want to. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put my wig cap on because it is giving a little bit of dark inside of here, and I want it to actually look. Hold on. I don't know. Give me a moment. Let me think about it. Me and my manager over here have decided that we are not putting on a wig cap. No wig cap needed. So we are going to leave this just like this. But if you feel more comfortable with adding a wig cap, please do so. But this is how the wig looks straight out of the box. No cutting, no curling, no any of that. Y'all, I ain't even glue the lace down. The lace is not glued down. No makeup on the lace. None of that has been done as of yet. 22 inches is what we have right here. This is what the 22 inch looks like. Stops right at my boobs. I am a 5'4" girly. As you can see, my little girl is a little bit taller than me. Come here, Kendall. So my daughter is 12. This is how tall she is compared to me. So this is what I'm telling y'all when I tell y'all in my videos. I am not a tall girl at all. So sometimes when you watch my videos, the wigs may look a little longer on me because I'm not that tall. Not at all. But enough about my height, okay? Okay, enough about my height. We are going to see if we can put some hot tools onto this hair, which we can. You see how flat it is laying with this hot comb going right through it, giving it a little flatness. And this is a Luvme Hair hot comb. So they do provide hot combs on their website. It may not be pink. It may be purple. I got this a few years ago. So sprinkle, sprinkle. They do last a little bit because my other ones on me. So yeah, my Luvme Hair hot comb is just flattening all of that down. And it is not making my hair crunchy. It is not doing any of that. And we are going to move into the hot comb to straighten these little humps and lumps that we have right here, the little crumples out. We aren't going in with any products because sometimes you girls don't have products. And I like to do things for you guys so that you can see how it will be if you are missing something. And y'all, look. Ooh, wee. Okay, Luvme Hair. Okay. Y'all coming through with the little ash blonde. Yes. It straightened to perfection. So since we know that she can be straightened, let's see if she curls. So as usual, we got her on our highest heat. Ooh, pray for me. I'm scared. Hopefully we get a good curl that does not fry. Ooh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Because I've seen a lot of blonde wigs that do fry. Ooh, okay. We got a little something. Let me try this again. Because it didn't come out the way I wanted it to. Let's try this one more time. Ooh, and it does get hot. So protect your hands because it holds heat a little bit. Let's see. It's going to take a little moment. Excuse my silence while I concentrate. And this is why I don't talk when I'm styling my hair. I usually just clip it and say, I'll be right back. But I wanted y'all to see this in real time. Just for the girlies who want to curl it. And yes. Yes, it does curl. Really, really good. And it's not feeling crunchy at all. No crunchy, munchy hair. And it's bouncy. Look how it has a little bit of a curl retention to it. So that's a good sign. That means we can style. I didn't do too much curling because, again, I'm kind of scared with it being blonde hair. But it's doing really good with what I already done. So if you do want to add a little bit of body and a little bit of curl with your hair, you definitely can do that. And it looks a little more full once you do that too. So looking for a little bit more body, put in some body curls. This is how it looks straight. This is how it looked with a little bit of a curl. Yeah. So I really didn't want to cheat you girls. So I went ahead and put more curls in her and styled her a little bit. Just so you guys can see that she does give a little bit of a curl, a little bit of body. And this is what she looks like if you decide to use a little bit of adhesive to hold her down, especially on these parts right here. These parts are the worst when it comes to lifting. So if you are somebody that wants to pull it up in a ponytail just a little bit, because you can do that with this wig because of this good little flexi drawstring right here. If you decide that you want to tuck that up under here and put her in a ponytail, you can do a cute pinup style. Hold on. As a matter of fact, let me do this real quick. If you decide you want to do a quick little cute pinup, you can, because the flexi drawstring pulls all this together so that you won't be able to see it in the back. So that is a win. That is a win-win for the girls, especially for my ones who like to pull it up, or if you have an event planned and you wanted to use this wig as that and a cute little updo style. I think blonde really is one of the hottest colors to do a nice little cute pinup. So there you go. It's a little scruffy, but y'all get the idea. So that is it. That is all for this video. I was gonna do a couple more little styles, but I'm not because this is really, really cute. But you get the idea. So if you like this wig, you like the color, you like the look, you like what it can do, go down to that description box or my comment section, click the link, use my coupon code Tanishia and save you a coin when you get this wig. That is it. That is all for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.